Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Newts, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Newts,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and you.
One, two, three, four. Tahi, rua, tuna. Whoa! Hi, bro. What you doing? Careful, sis. I'm tidying up the treehouse. Oh, good plan, Darwin. There's way too much stuff up here. Can I help? Well, sure. But first I have to lay out my collections. Then make a detailed plan. Then I have I'm on it. Check out my new invention. I call it the robot arm picker-upper. Don't need this, or this, or this, or... I don't even know what this is. Oh, Newt! What are you doing? Oh, you just can't throw everything out of the treehouse. Oh, I'm sorry, Darwin. I was only trying to help. I know you were, Newt, but you just made a bigger mess and somebody has to tidy up. Right. First, I need to line everything up according to size, then shape, then colour. Need it. Need it. Oh, need it. It looks like I need everything after all. Oh, except for this broken cricket bat. This we can definitely throw away. Hey, Boopy! What's going on, my friend? What's that? Newt is having a clean out. Then Darwin threw a cricket bat at you. Well, I'm sure they didn't mean to. Wait a minute, Burpee. The big swamp. That's really far away. I'd better tell Darwin and Newts. This might come in handy. Darwin! Newts! Morning! Good morning, Henny! I just saw Burpee, and he's real mad. He says you chucked a broken cricket bat at him. Uh-oh. Sorry, Burpee. Where is he? He's gone off to visit his girlfriend, Croquette. In the big swamp. The big swamp? That's really far away. Yeah, I know. It's such a hot day, and I'm worried because frogs need water. So, how can we help Burpee to get to the big swamp? Let's science it! Everything is wet in Burpee's whare. His mud bath, his lily pad, even his flycatcher.
That's because Burpee is an amphibian.
Wapiti! Amphibian? What do you mean, Wapiti?
Amphibian. It means frogs can live both in the water and on the land. On land, they must be near swamps, ponds, or wet places to protect their skin. Instead of drinking water, frogs soak it into their body through their skin, like a sponge. But Burpee's skin cannot dry out. He has to stay wet. Till next time, good luck!
Thanks, Wapiti!
Okay, we have to keep Burpy wet like Wapiti said.
I'm on it. Presenting my latest invention, the Burpy Funny To Go. It's stylish, cool, and sopping wet. Nice one, Newt. But if you're going to catch up with Burpy, you better hurry.
Burpy! Better spray him.
Nice throat, Burpy. Feeling better?
We're almost at the big swamp. Do you still want to visit Croquette? Then let's go!
Hey, Burpy, did you know you're an amphibian? You can live both on land and in water.
We made it! The big swamp!
You're welcome, Burpy. Burpy, wait! Whoa! Swampy, I'm sinking!
Yep, and these sticks make it really hard to stand up. Whoa!
I'll help you, bro. Whoa!
Oh,
I didn't know Burpy could sing.
Well, it's not really singing, is it? It's croaky-okie. Wow. Somebody should really tidy up around here.
That somebody is my body. Whoa! That's a lot of sticks. Darwin is going to be so happy when he sees this nice, neat swamp. He'll forget all about that mess at the treehouse.
Oh, no! Where is the water going? And where is my sister?
Ta-da! You said you wish somebody would tidy up, Darwin. So, I did.
Wow! The swamp looks really neat and tidy. Only thing is, there is no water.
Uh-oh. And Burpy and Croquette need water because they're frogs. Darwin, what happened? Where did the water go?
Let's science it. When we got to the swamp, there was lots of water and lots of sticks.
And now there are no sticks.
And no water.
So, we need to put the sticks back.
Great thinking, Newts. If we pile the sticks at the end of the swamp, that'll make a dam. A wall that stops the water from going out.
I'm on it. Presenting my latest invention, the Robot Arm Dam Maker. Come on! There we go.
Uh-oh, there's a hole. Quick, we
handy.
Nice work, Newts!
Oh, thanks, Darwin. But it was all my fault in the first place. And Burpee and Croquette almost had no water.
Oh, that was an accident, Newts. You didn't do it on purpose. And once we realised the problem, we fixed it. Darwin and Newts, together. Me